Just get a new Apple Watch for the holidays? Here are 10 tips that you should know on how to get the most out of your new Apple Watch. If you wear your Apple Watch to bed, it will track the amount of time that you're asleep, providing insight into how long you're in bed, how much of the time that you spend sleeping, and your heart rate. To have your Apple Watch automatically track your sleep when you go to bed, you need to set up sleep mode, which you can do in the Health app by following the on-screen instructions. And then sleep mode will allow you to tell your devices what time you want to start winding down for bed, auto silence notifications, and provide you with a morning summary of the notifications that you missed while you were sleeping. During that time, sleep data is gathered by your watch and then can be viewed in the Health app. If you have both an iPhone with Face ID and an Apple Watch, you can actually enable a feature that will allow you to unlock your phone while wearing a mask using the Apple Watch as an extra authentication layer. To use this feature, you need to head into the Settings app on your iPhone, and then under Face ID and passcode, you can enable Unlock with Apple Watch. And then once this is turned on, your Apple Watch will be able to unlock your iPhone through skin contact verification in order to confirm you have your watch on you and nearby your iPhone in order to unlock with your face covered by a mask. Want to set a specific photo as a watch face? Well, you can do that by heading into the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Face Gallery, and scroll down to the Photos option. You can then select any photo from your camera roll or even a specific album of photos, up to 24 photos actually, and they can cycle through those different photos. And there's even an option for dynamic, which actually uses photos from your memories. There are a few customization options you can go through, and then once you're all set up, you tap on Add, and then go to the My Watch tab to tap on the watch face that you just created. And from here, you should see an option to choose as the current watch face and send it directly to your Apple Watch. In select cities with robust transit options, there's a nifty express transit feature that lets you pass through a transaction gate with just the tap of your watch with no need to wake your device or authenticate with a passcode. Now to add this, you'll have to head into the Watch app on your iPhone, and under Wallet and Apple Pay, you can select the Express Travel Card and follow the on-screen instructions to add your available travel card. Did you know your watch can make sure you wash your hands for up to the full 20 seconds that's recommended? Just open the Settings app on your watch, select Hand Washing, and then turn this timer on, as well as potential reminders to wash your hands after you return home from being out in public. If you have an Apple TV, you can actually use your watch to control it using the Remote app, which could be very useful if you ever end up losing your remote. Just head into your apps, select Remote, and then select your Apple TV, and then you can use the available swipe gestures and tap to navigate the UI. If you want to be able to get help quick in an emergency, you can enable an SOS feature on the Apple Watch that calls emergency services with the press of a single button. Simply head into Settings, SOS, and then toggle on Hold Side button to call emergency services quickly and easily. If you have apps on your watch that you no longer want, you can easily remove them by heading into your app view, and then either long press if you're using the grid app view, or swipe to delete if you're using the list view. watchOS 8 now allows users to share photos directly from their watches by simply opening up the Photos app on your watch, select a photo, and then tap the share icon in the bottom right corner. And lastly, if you want to boost the size of your text on your watch, you can do this by heading into Settings, Display and Brightness, and then tap on Text Size to adjust it to your liking. And if you want to check out more information, tips, tricks, and features all about your Apple Watch, visit the links in the description down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.